And one more thing which I forgot to add uh, is this tutor's feedback. How does this inheritance facilitate code reuse and promote code organization in the object-oriented programming? So the thing is, how it does is, let me go back to my files and remove the overloading.cs to desktop. So if you see in my bird class, bird would be having specific functions, specific things such as species and wingspans, which won't be applicable for animal. Animal won't be having wingspans. So this is how it organizes the code to be simpler. And that for the first question, code reusability and promote core organization in the object-oriented programming. So I've written the solution for it. That inheritance allows code to be used by enabling subclasses such as bird is the subclass of animal and eagle is a subclass of bird, and behaviors from a superclass such as the functions in the animal is overwritten in bird, which is overwritten in eagle. So it promotes code organization by creating hierarchical structure based on the shared characters. And also in the second question, compare the contrast the animal class implementation in the zoopark.cs file and the animal class with inheritance. How does the introduction of inheritance impact the structure and functionality of these two classes? So in the let's open the zoopark. Hmm. If I go to in my animal.cs file, if you see, I have name, diet, location, weight, age, and color. With name, diet, location, weight, age, and color, all of this. If I write eat, code for animal to eat, sleep, code for animal to sleep, make noise, code for animal to make noise, all of these functions. Now I need to make several functions depending on what type of animal it is. For example, here in eat, uh, eat. Animal can eat a non-vegetarian animal could be non-veg. For example, a lion eats meat, whereas a bird will eat insects. So that's the difference between inheritance and not using the with inheritance function. So these files are without the inheritance, so I have to make specific methods for each type of animal. For example, those who eat meat, those who eat berries, and the the sound which a wolf make is different from an eagle, so I have to make different methods for it. And in the zoo park as well, like animal is a William wolf, so and so, all of it. Now if I have to start a main method, then I need to specify which type of animal it's gonna be, so which type of sound it's gonna make. And with the different inheritance method, you could see, mm, that's bad. mm, all files, and if I apart now with animal.inheritance, you can see I have just three methods: eat, sleep, and make noise. And depending on what type of animal it is, I can override them. For example, here in eagle, I have overwritten the thing of making noise and change it to whistling. Even in lion, make noise to roar. So this is how it works. So uh, in the end, I would like to say that animal in the zoo park animal class doesn't use inheritance, and in animal with inheritance implement inheritance, where animal with inheritance inherits from animal. It sounds confusing, but it is not. And this change allows animal with inheritance to inherit properties and methods from animal, promoting the code use and organization. And the third question to answer was, discuss the significance of access modifiers such as private, protected, and public in context of inheritance as demonstrated in the submitted code. How do they influence the visibility and accessibility of the class members across inherited hierarchies? So what it does is, so this class right here uh, is public class, which means it could be accessed anywhere in the code. But here if you see, mm, eagle, public, all of them are. Mm. So the basic difference is all the access modifiers Protected allows access within the class and its subclass. So if my one of my class is protected, such as if I make my bird class protected, so it would be only accessible with the subclass of bird, which is eagle and penguin. But with private restricts, okay, and public class allows access from any class, and private are the one which wouldn't private members are inaccessible, and protected members are accessible within the subclass, and public members are accessible everywhere. So that's the major difference between these three. That's it. Thank you.